Hello everyone. So as promised, I'm back again with the second part of the backlink dashboard overview. So in this particular video, we'll be discussing a bit more about these graphs right here on the screen, and I'll just really give you an overview about this dashboard that is all about backlink analysis. So for this specific graph, this talks about the linking domain dynamics, which is a graph showing you how dynamics of referring domains have changed over time. The info on the graph is updated once a week only when there is new data. So you can see all of those updates right here, depending on the dates that they are created or depending on the surge of data, I think. So that is something that you would want to observe so that you can see when it peaks and when it falls significantly. So you can see here it falls during November. So during this time, maybe there's not much data that is coming in, unlike this on the part or during October, it reached its peak until the end of October. So that is something that you would like to observe. So you can also change if you want it for the last 6 months, last year, or all time. So let's check. If it's last year, you would see dramatically it increased here and then fell a little bit and then peaked again here and then fell in again around November and December of last year. So I'm glad to see that it's peaking again. So hopefully this continues. And then on the other graph right here is the linking pages dynamics. So this one is for domains and this one is specifically for pages. So this one is a graph showing how the number of domain backlinks has changed. The info on the graph is also updated once a week only when there is new data. So they're pretty much the same. It's just that this one talks about the domains and this one refers to the pages. So you can also change the time frame on when you want to view the results. So it could also be 6 months, last year, or all time. So for all time, so it's not available for this specific display mode. So you can only view last year and the last 6 months. So coming down here, these are the new and lost backlinks. So what are those? This graph shows the number of new and lost backlinks. So here you can see if you hover your mouse on it, you would see that there are two new backlinks specifically for July 18th of 2022, and then there are lost backlinks, a total of 9 for that. And then as you go along and hover your mouse on it, you would see the changes depending on the time as well. So this is good to keep in mind because we know that backlinks are important, especially when we're trying to establish our presence online. So this is something that you would want to observe, and you would want those backlinks to always increase, and you would want to avoid losing backlinks as well. So this one for January 2023, currently we have 4 new backlinks and we lost 2 backlinks, so we have to double the effort and increase the number of those backlinks. And then here for SDR distribution, again, SDR here is Serpstat domain rank. So that's a ranking exclusive for Serpstat. And here you can see the distribution over time as well. So these specific graphs correspond to the distribution of the referring domains that is done by Serpstat domain rank. So here also have distribution by type of backlinks. So what it does is table where you can see number of different backlinks according to the different types. So here we have the different types of backlinks. If it is a text, image, a redirect backlink, and so on and so forth. So the most that we're getting is of course by text. So by embedding URLs on a specific text. So that is a total of 607. And then here we have top anchor backlinks by popularity. So we have here the backlink anchors, or the words that carry those backlinks, and then the number of backlinks associated to them, and the number of domains that they are present in. So you can expand that. And then here we have the TLD map. This one is new to me. So TLD is top level domain. It's a map showing the distribution of referring domains by top level domain zones. So here you have different top level domains in total. So there are countries as well, depending on the corresponding results that is showing up. So here you can see a map, and you can see the highlighted ones are those with the top number of domains and top percentage as well. So that's it for the remainder of the dashboard overview for backlink analysis. So please tune in to the next videos I will be uploading, because we'll be discussing furthermore about the different features that are under this specific tool. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next one.